Today I'm going to be reviewing FUIART red light therapy protection glasses. I'd like to thank FUIART for sending these to me to review. So let's take a look at these. Definitely, they're polycarbonate, very light. To manage expectations, they might feel a little cheap, but these aren't very expensive. And so if you're doing any type of red light therapy or tanning beds, this is going to protect your eyes. What's nice also is that it comes with a case. It's a very nice case to protect these. They're engineered to shield your eyes from red and near infrared light from 600 to 900 nms, which is going to reduce eye strain. These do actually really well on Amazon, 4.4 stars. It only has 74 reviews. It's fairly new. But last month, 800 plus of these were bought. So in October 2025. So people are liking them. So if you're looking for something, just easy to take with you, you got a case, nothing special, but look nice, you might want to check out FUIART's red light therapy protection glasses. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.